Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to customize your iPhone home screen separately in iOS 26 or later. Personalizing your iPhone has become more flexible than ever before, and one of the most exciting features is the ability to customize the home screen separately from the lock screen. This means you can now create unique looks, layouts, and widgets for your home screen without affecting the lock screen design. So whether you want a minimalist layout, a vibrant theme look, or a productivity-inspired setup, iOS gives you the tools to make your iPhone home screen stand out. That said, let's get started. So first you have to long press on the iPhone home screen. And then you have to hit the edit button located at the top left corner of the screen. After that you have to choose the edit wallpaper option in the menu. Then you have to choose the desired color or pick the preferred gradient color. After that, you can perfectly adjust the intensity of the color using the slider. For a more personalized experience, you can also choose a photo from your camera roll. Just tap on the photo tab and then pick a suitable image from your camera roll. For enhanced clarity, I will recommend you to blur the wallpaper. To do so, just tap on the blur button at the bottom. And once you have perfectly customized your iPhone home screen, make sure to tap on the Done button located at the top right to finish, and that's about it. You have successfully learned how to customize your iPhone home screen separately for a more personalized experience. From changing wallpapers to arranging widgets and icons, iOS gives you complete control over your phone's look and feel. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives so that your iPhone home screen always looks stand out. And I'll catch you up in the next one.